Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make bread halwa which is very popular dish in southern parts of India. तो आज मैं ब्रेड का हलवा बनाऊंगी जो southern part of India में साउथ इंडिया में बहुत पॉपुलर डिश है एंड वो पार्टीज़ वगैरह में भी ऑफर करते they offer in parties also. So let's start. What I have done, I have taken 2 slices of bread and I have taken out the sides of it and I've cut it into the 4 parts. So each bread in 4 parts. So in small pieces I've cutted them. Now I'm going to fry them. So I'll take a pan like this and I'll pour ghee to it and I'll fry them. So I've taken ghee in the pan and now I'm going to put all these slices here one by one and I'm going to fry them all. So I'm going to put like this one by one. And we will fry till it turns red brown in color. So it is going to soak the ghee. So we are going to add more ghee on this because it all needs to soak ghee and give a good taste. And you can use whichever oil you want, but I have taken desi ghee because desi ghee always gives a very good flavor to your food. So see, and we'll check them. If they're turning brown, we're going to turn them up. So like this, we are going to turn them up to all. Like this, and again we'll pour little ghee on them. Now in just 2-3 minutes it get fried properly and we will close the gas. Let's put them into the center. Now this is ready. Now we'll close the gas. Further, I have taken a pan and I poured 1 glass of water, and I've taken actually 1 glass of water in a pan, and will add for 2 slices of bread around 1/4 of cup of sugar. So I'm adding 1/4 cup sugar to it. And then we'll stir it till it dissolves. So we'll check when to dissolve. Let it get dissolved properly. Now see, this sugar has dissolved and water has started boiling. Now we'll put all our bread pieces in this. Slowly we are going to dip it into this water solution. Slowly it is going to soak all water. Now see, it has soaked the water almost, and then we are completely like pressing it so that it get crushed, the bread get crushed. So like this we'll keep on pressing onto it. Now we'll let the water evaporate and get the halwa consistency. So we'll completely stir like this. We can add now our elaichi powder. We'll mix it and we'll again cook it. Now you can see it has got that halwa consistency, and now we are going to add kaju, few crushed kaju pieces, and then kismis. I'm going to mix them again. Now this is almost ready, and this is ready to be served now. See, all water has evaporated. It has got that halwa consistency. So we'll put the gas off, and it is now ready to be served. Now see, our bread halwa is ready to be served. I have decorated it a few walnut pieces, बादाम के pieces से मैंने, काजू के pieces से मैंने इसे थोड़ा decorate कर लिया. Presentation should be good, I think. Then kids and everyone likes it. So hope you like this recipe and do try it at home. You can offer it into parties also. आप इसे पार्टी में भी ऑफर कर सकते हैं, घर पे बना सकते हैं, गेस्ट आते हैं तो उनके लिए आप कर सकते हैं ट्राई. And please do like this if you really taste it good. Thank you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.